Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT gives such accurate answers? Or how AI tools like Midjourney or DALL understand exactly what you want, even from a few words? The secret behind it all is something called prompt engineering. In today's video, we're going to explore what prompt engineering actually is, how it works, why it's one of the most powerful AI skills in the world, and how you can master it to shape your future. So, stay with me till the end, because this one skill can literally change the way you talk to machines forever. Let's start simple. What exactly is a prompt? A prompt is basically an instruction or a question that you give to an AI model to get an answer or result. It could be something simple like, write a poem about space, or something complex like, generate a 3D model of a futuristic city with flying cars at sunset. In short, a prompt is how we humans communicate with AI. It's the language that connects our imagination to the machine's intelligence. And here's the key. The better your prompt, the smarter and more accurate the AI's response will be. Now, let's go one step deeper. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of designing effective prompts to make AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL, or Gemini produce the best possible results. Think of it like talking to a genius who knows everything, but only gives the right answer when you ask the right way. Prompt engineering helps you ask smarter. It teaches you how to guide the AI with clear, creative, and powerful instructions. For example, instead of saying, write a story about a robot, a prompt engineer might say, write a 500-word emotional story about a lonely robot who learns friendship on Mars. See the difference? Same idea, but a smarter way of asking. That's the magic of prompt engineering. Now, you might be thinking, why is prompt engineering so important? Well, AI is everywhere. In your phone, your car, your social media, even in hospitals and classrooms. But AI doesn't actually think like humans. It follows instructions. If your prompt is vague, AI might get confused or produce poor results. But if your prompt is detailed and structured, the same AI can create something amazing. A viral video script, a digital painting, or even working computer code. So, in simple words, prompt engineering turns AI from a tool into a creative partner. But how does it actually work? Let's understand that. When you give a prompt to an AI model, it breaks your sentence into small pieces called tokens. Then it predicts what words should come next, based on the billions of patterns it learned during training. Prompt engineers use different techniques to guide this process. For example, role prompting, telling the AI who it should be. Like saying, you are an expert data scientist. Context. Prompting, giving background info, like, based on the following data, analyze the trend. Chain of thought prompting, asking the AI to explain step by step. Few-shot prompting, giving examples so the AI understands your format. By combining these techniques, prompt engineers can get more accurate, logical, and creative answers. So where is prompt engineering actually used? Pretty much everywhere. In marketing, people use it to create ad campaigns and social media posts. In design, artists use it to generate images with Midjourney or DALL-E. In programming, developers use ChatGPT and Copilot to write and debug code. In education, teachers use it to make study material and quizzes. And in business, prompt engineers automate chatbots and workflows. So yes, prompt engineering isn't just theory, it's already changing the real world. Now here's something exciting. Prompt engineering is also a career. Big tech companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are hiring prompt engineers with salaries going up to $200,000 per year or even more. And you don't need a PhD for that. You just need creativity, logical thinking, and the ability to talk to AI effectively. Prompt engineers are becoming the new AI whisperers, the people who know exactly how to make machines do what humans imagine. So how can you learn prompt engineering? Start experimenting with AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Try writing different prompts, change the tone, add details, compare the outputs and learn what works best. Then study prompt patterns. Practice giving the AI roles and goals, and learn simple frameworks like COAST, which stands for Context, Objective, Action, Style, and Tone. It's easy to remember and helps you structure your prompts like a pro. There are also free online courses and AI communities where you can test, share, and improve your prompts with others. The secret is practice. The more you experiment, the better you get. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Prompt engineering is not just typing words into a chatbot. It's about unlocking the full potential of artificial intelligence. It's how humans and machines create together, writing, designing, building, and solving problems in ways we never could before. It's not just a skill, it's the new language of creativity. And those who master it will define how AI shapes the world. So the next time you open ChatGPT or any AI tool, remember this: it's not about what you ask, it's about how you ask. Because the right words can turn an ordinary AI response into something truly extraordinary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI and tech videos like this. In the next video, we'll go step by step into how to master prompt engineering and even build your own AI projects using it. Thanks for watching, and always remember, the future belongs to those who know how to talk to machines.